Hey there, this is Aaron with Blue Monkey Beats on ASTproductions.com. There's a little delay between the microphone and the visual, so I feel like I'm speaking a little weird. Hopefully it comes out good for you guys. Since my last video, got AKG headphones. I've got a mixer right here. It's focus right. Still need to get a microphone and got an Decay MPK MIDI keyboard. So stepping up a little bit as I go. I want to see how everything functions. Let me go ahead and hit play. I ran the audio from my smaller Bose headphones to the Mixer 10, de-essing a little bit so you don't hear a bunch of high frequency background noise. Hopefully it lines up with the video that you're seeing as well. Little music in the background, 808. Feels like I'm dragging my voice, no matter what. Feels like I'm dragging my voice a little bit. Want to touch base on the fruit kick, so you can shrink up the decay. I've also linked to the minimum frequency. Let's see, a fruity envelope controller. I linked it to the keyboard mapping. So like this, controller, articulator 1, and then after it's accepted, put it on keyboard mapping, and then drop the angle way down to meet all parts of the notes. This gives you the full range when it's at an angle. Real low. If you right click, it'll snap right back. Thanks for watching this video on the 808.